What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce from lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle Family, Turn Motivation into Means. Yeah, I think that's all of them right there. I got so many channels. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there scamming people, and y'all still falling for it. I don't know how that's even possible. When all you gotta do is click the title on every video, and at the bottom of the description, all my social media links are right there. Telegram, IG, everything. So please, before y'all send y'all money to anybody, please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So today I got another play for y'all. I got another $50,000 play. I got another $50,000 play for y'all. Easy peasy peanut butter cup. All you gotta do is follow the directions. All you gotta do is follow the steps that I give you, and I guarantee you, you will get approved for this loan. All right, so today we're gonna be talking about the $50,000 Truist Small Business No Doc loan. All right, yes, Truist. A lot of people have been smacking Truist. A lot of people have been getting money through Truist. So I'm gonna give you the opportunity to do the same thing and get some money through Truist. All right, $50,000. All you need is an LLC and an EIN number. That's all you need. No docs and an account with them, and you'll be all the way good. All right, so it's a lot of people out there that want to get these loans and credit cards and lines of credit. They just want somebody to just give them the loan without them having good credit, without them having nothing good. Just just because they got bad credit, they say, "Oh, give me some money." It don't work like that. You gotta have a paper trail. You gotta have your documents in order, right? Because it's a lot of different reasons why you can have bad credit. Now, the finesse is building a relationship with Truist, adding trade lines to your personal credit because you're going to use it as a personal guarantor. Once you do that, you're going to leverage it towards your business credit. And once they see that, you're going to get that $50,000 no doc loan. Easy peasy peanut butter cup, all right? So, in order for you to get this $50,000 loan from Truist, first thing you need to do is you need to say, okay, let me go figure out my credit report. Let me go see what my credit score is. All three of my FICOs, right? So if anybody out there has a free Credit Karma account, that is not your accurate credit score. You do not have that's not accurate at all right? Anything free shouldn't be. All right. So if you think you got a 750 or 850 or a high credit score because the Credit Karma is telling you that's your Advantage 3.0 score, that is not accurate. You need to go to Experian.com, pay $25 a month so you can get your accurate score for your three FICOs, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, all right? It's going to show you all three. Once you get all three and you see what all three is going on, you're going to see your credit report, know how much debt you have under your name. Once you see how much debt you have under your name, you're going to see all the collections, all the inquiries you got, everything that's going on your credit report, all right? So if you're somebody that has a high debt and needs to clean up your credit, you're going to freeze all three of the credit bureaus, your TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Freeze them. Then you're going to dispute everything on your credit, and you're going to start seeing drop-offs in at least in 15 business days. So give it some time. Let it do what it got to do. 15 business days, you'll start seeing drop-offs on your credit report. If it don't work the first time, try again because it's eventually going to fall off. But more than likely, it's going to work the first time, all right? Any account that's 7 years or older is classified as expired. So those are going to be the ones you start seeing first if you have any account that's 7 years or older on your credit report. All right, so once you start cleaning up your credit, once you get a lot of things off your credit, you're going to go add trade lines. And like I told you guys before, creditstrong.com can give you $42,500 for only $800 a month reported to your credit report. Coast Trade Lines, they got some 10-day trade lines that will post to your credit in 10 days. So if you need to hurry up and get your credit boosted real fast, Coast Trade Lines, boost your credit in 10 days. Trade Line Supply, another credit card AU account site where you can get credit cards, AU accounts, which is credit card limit accounts that you're piggybacking on somebody, limits. So report to your credit, you can get those over there. And then you can use that as a personal guarantor towards your business. Go get you a Truist account and get you this $50,000 loan. All right, so without further ado, let's go check out where you can get this $50,000 Truist loan and what all you need to do and how you can get approved. Let's check them out. EIN only and LLC. All right, so today we're going to be talking about Truist. All right, so you got the personal, they got the checking and savings, they got the credit cards, they got loans, they got mortgages, they got investment and retirements. All right, so once you do all the steps that I gave you in the beginning, you need to go get you a business, a personal and a business checking and savings account, right? So once you get all that, and so you see how I go banking, they got the checking and savings right here, small business checking overview, Truist, simple business checking, Truist dynamic checking, Truist community checking, small business savings account, small business online banking, you know, things like that, right? You're going to go to the loans. Once you go to the loans, first one you're going to see is the small business loan. All right, so borrow up to $50,000 for whatever you need for your business. No collateral required, no financial statements or liquidity verification for eligible requests. All right, so business age and types and restrictions apply. All right, so like I said, no financial statements or anything, no collateral. Up to $50,000, up to 60 months, terms available, no origination free. How it works. All right, so apply for a specific loan amount, choose a term of your loan, make monthly payments of the principal and interest, track your balance. All right, so best if you want to make a one-time purchase, fund a specific project or anything like that, consolidate debt, expand your businesses. All right, so they got the small tap in with that's the no doc loan right there. Then they got the small business line of credit, access to money whenever you need it, manage seasonal cash flow, expand inventory or grab hold of a new opportunity up to $100,000, 12 to 36 months, low variable rates, apply for a specific line of credit amount, borrow up to your available credit limit, access funds by transferring money to your checking account or by writing checks, interest occurs only on outstanding balance. Use a revolving line of credit to reborrow over time to a maximum credit line. All right, so you can't beat that. Then you got the small business credit cards. Seize your spending opportunities, extra buying power. So we're gonna learn more about it. All right. So there are so many great reasons to try to carry a Truist Visa card. I earn rewards boost. Our reward cards let you earn loyalty bonuses when you have a Truist business checking or a savings account. Empower your employees, give them purchase flexibility within limits you decide. Manage cardholder spend. The ability to set controls on an individual cardholders' accounts. Contactless payments. Every card has a tap to pay. So checkout is safer and enabled terminals. So they got the different cards right here. They got the Truist Business Cash Rewards. Annual fee $0. They got the rewards. It goes in right there, spend a lot. And it just breaks down what you can get. And they got some nice high limit credit cards too, for sure. So Truist, man, they got the $50,000 no doc loan, no collateral. All you gotta do is open up a business account and a checking account with them. Deposit money for 32 days. So if you got $3,000, deposit that money periodically into the account. If you got $5,000, deposit the money periodically to the business account. All right. Once you do that, then go in there with asking for a $50,000 business loan. No docs. You're gonna build a relationship with them, so you're gonna have to need no docs, no collateral, nothing, and you'll be approved. Easy peasy, peanut butter cup. Right. So make sure y'all tapping in with Truist Small Business Loans. Make sure you're really going to tap in. Make sure you're following the instructions at the beginning of the video, and you'll get approved. Without further ado, let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. Truist, $50,000 no doc, no collateral required loan. All you need to do is build a relationship with the bank. Do those steps in the beginning of the video that I told you, and I promise you, you have a great chance to get approved. So let's go over the steps. First, you want to, because everything revolves around credit. You want to go get you an Experian account so you can see your accurate credit, not a Credit Karma. for free. No, that's not your real credit score. Go get you an Experian for $25 a month. Boom. Once you get your Experian account, you're going to see your accurate credit score, your 3 FICOs. Once you see all that, your debts, collections, and all that, you're going to clean your credit, go freeze your accounts, go dispute. Once you dispute, you're going to start seeing drop-offs. When you start seeing drop-offs, then you're going to start adding trade lines. You're going to add trade lines in the AU accounts to your credit report. The AUs are the credit cards, the trade lines, other loans, and things like that. All right, so Credit Strong gives you up to $42,500 or $200 or $42,500 in trade lines, and then Coast Trade Lines and Trade Line Supply gives you the AU accounts that you need, the credit card accounts, the high limit ones that you need. All right, so go there, do that. Then make sure you got your LLC, make sure you got your EIN number, all that good stuff like that. Once you got your EIN number, then you want to use that EIN number to go to Truist and open up a business banking savings and checking account. Once you open up that account, start dispersing money in there, let it marinate for 32 days. Once you do that, then apply for that loan. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in with them, man. Don't miss out on them steps. Don't try to skip steps and try to do things your way, because it won't work. Follow instructions. A lot of people got a hard time of following instructions, I see. So please just follow instructions and you will get paid today. All right, so shout out to all my Real King Hussle fans, subscribers, new subscribers, old subscribers, supporters, new and old. Without y'all, there be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce. And y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. All right, so shout out to y'all. Anybody out there want their credit lessons, you want to learn how to clean your credit, build your credit, get loans, lines of credit, and credit cards, it's going to be $300 for a short time period. 50% off, red tag deal. All right, so don't miss out on that. Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Make sure the payment is on the $300 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance before you contact me and you're ready to work. All right. Anybody out there looking to get basic lessons, one topic, it does not include the Cash App glitch. Tap in, it's going to be $500 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Make sure the payment is on your balance. Either or, send me the screenshot. We're going to get to work. If you don't, I will not respond. Anybody out there looking to get their Unlimited Gems FaceTime one-on-one lessons is going to be $1,200 for Cash App or Bitcoin payment. You'll get all the information that you need to know. All right, so tap into that. Make sure, and then also if you want to get a mentorship, it's going to be $2,500. You're going to get all the Unlimited Gems, plus I'm going to teach you about the DW, and we're going to make money together with the YouTube automation. All right, so we're going to get one of these channels out here. We're going to run up the views, and we're going to start making money. We're going to split the payment. All right, so make sure you tap in on that. Also, anybody looking to get tap in with the in-person Unlimited Gems on the crypto tour, $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. All right, so if I got to go out-of-state to you, it's going to be $4,500. If you come in-state to me, it's going to be $3,500. $500 deposit. The rest of the money we meet in person. All right, so make sure y'all tapping on that. Come get these gems. Come learn how to make some money. Come learn how to run up these bands. Also, still looking for people for the production company. Actors, rappers, models, singers, producers, cameramen. Tap in. Let's win. Any rappers or singers out there ready to get their chain, they watch, start making money with their music, tap in. Music reviews is $200. You don't got $200 to invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 into you and your career? Make it make sense. All right, so tap in. Any beautiful ladies out there looking to grow and build a platform, their brand, get seen, ready to elevate, tap in. You don't got a good attitude, you don't got a good head on your shoulders, I can't work with you. Can't be corrected, you can't be directed, point blank period. I'm here to put you in all the right positions that you need to win, succeed. You're going to be traveling, doing a lot of different things. So I need you on point. I need you with the team so we can, you know what I'm saying, make sure things happen the correct way. So make sure you tap in. Any beautiful ladies out there, let's work. Let's get this money. Also, videographers out there, tap in. Let's work. Good camera, good editing effects. Not, you know what I'm saying? Let's get to it. Content equals views. Views equals money. Easy as that. Also, anybody out there looking to get paid, y'all ready to get this money, you ready to run up them bands, them free bands, make sure you tap it in. Cash App glitch, how to make $10,000 a week, all profit, one free full, $250 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Don't miss out. Make sure you hit me up on my Telegram. My link is in all my descriptions and all the videos, and you can find it in my community post. So you can't not miss my Telegram. All right, it's right there. So either go click on every video at the bottom of the description, find it in the links, or go to my community post and you will find my Telegram. All right, so make sure you go run it up. Make sure you go write me on my Telegram. You ready to tap in with the Cash App glitch? The how to make $10,000 a week, all profit, in a one free full? Tap in. Make sure you send that screenshot of the payment being on your balance too, because if you don't, I will not respond. So when you write me, send me the screenshot and let me know what you want and you ready to go. And we're going to get to work. We're going to run them bands up, right? So make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all coming to win. It's your boy, King Hussle. You know how to get down into these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.